with the only subscriber so far. First time talaga namin and we were very, very excited. And then she was amazed na yung mga families na nanggagaling sa Pilipinas and kung saan-saang bansa, nagre-risk pa rin tayo. Ang tapang-tapang daw natin para pumunta dito sa Canada. Hello fam! And let's start our next vlog. Naglalakad lang kami from the open house that we just showed you dun sa last video. So naglalaro pa rin ang aking mga anak. And ito lang yung bahay. And diyan kami nakatira. So ganun lang siya kalapit. So naglalaro lang ang mga kiddos. And inis na si Donna kasi ang lamig. Tapos gusto pa maglaro ng mga kids. So, syempre, you need to balance. Ganun talaga. Safe naman kasi wala namang mga sasakyan nandito na kami sa bahay. Okay? So, the rest of the day, magpe-prepare lang kami. Yan sina Davon and yung Filipino friend namin. Kapit-bahay namin dito. So for the rest of the afternoon, magpe-prepare lang kami para dun sa meet-up namin sa aming subscribers sa AirG. Yan, ganda ng sasakyan ng neighbor namin. So yeah, excited kami kasi it's our first time nga to meet one of our subscriber. Hello tita, we'll see you later. Sa AirG yun, so it's a new community for us, although nakakapunta na tayo doon, pero hindi pa ako nakakapasok ng bahay doon. So, tingnan natin kung ano din ang nasa AirG, which is more or less parang 20, 30 to 50,000 difference yung mga prices ng bahay compared to Calgary. So, yung iba talaga is if you want a bigger house, parang maganda din yung location kasi hindi naman siya malayo masyado sa Calgary. Yung option nila is pupunta sila ng AirG para they could buy their dream house and as well live with close proximity sa Calgary, lalo na pag ang work mo ay sa airport and say sa Cross Iron ba or so. Okay, see you later. Papatulugin lang namin ng mga kids and then aalis na kami going to AirG. Yes mommy?
Yep.
Alright, so see you later.
Hello fam! And we're on our way to AirG right now.
Bago yon, dadaan muna tayo ng parang shopping center dito malapit sa Skyview. Bili muna tayo ng ice cream cake kasi parang gusto din ng daddy ng ice cream cake and for sure gusto din ng mga kiddos natin yan.
Dalhin natin kila Tita Joy.
Yeah, so today pala pupunta kami kina Tita Joy. It's our first
meeting
subscriber meet-up. Yan. So excited kami kasi hindi pa namin ito nagagawa. And of course, it's one of our goals naman here in Canada to expand our network and to meet up new friends, to meet up new titas and titos. So, syempre open tayo sa ganyan. And we're very excited. Friendly naman kami ni Donna.
And thank you Tita Joy, you're so generous and kind para invite kami sa bahay nyo. For sure, lovely home and family. So, we'll see you in a bit. Dadaan lang kami to get the dessert.
Bibili mo na kami ng dessert, Tita.
Yeah. And kids, nag-snacks lang sila ng konti. And snowy Calgary pa tayo today. Pero hindi ganun kalakas kasi natutunaw na siya.
Yeah, mabilis matunaw.
Ayan o. Pero nag-snow pa rin. Hindi kasi din ganun kalamig. So,
yan.
Ayan.
Tapos, iaano ako ni Donna. Lalabas ako and bibili lang tayo dito sa what's that? Marble slab.
Yeah.
Ice cream cake.
So si Daddy lang ang lalabas.
Ice cream cake umuulan. Ay, hindi
Nag-snow.
pala ice cream cake nagsisnow.
Bye, Daddy! For cake and ice cream, itong marble slab. Dito kami bumili ng mga ice cream pag birthday ng mga kids. Right, Kuya Davan? Yeah. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Apa? Yeah? Let's see later kung anong mangyayari sa meet-up natin kay Tita Joy and the family. Mga 15 minutes drive din from here sa kanila. Kasi sa Airdrie sila. So, mapapapunta naman tayo ng Airdrie. Right? See you later! Ang bilis lang. Daddy is here!
Yay!
Yay!
Chocolate cheesecake.
Wow!
Wow!
Alright!
Nice, let's go!
And nasa highway na tayo going to Airdrie. There you go. Ito pala ang way papuntang Airdrie from our place. Anong highway to, Dad? Stony pa rin, no?
This is Tony going to Deerfoot
Aha.
and then continuation niya Queen Elizabeth II Highway.
Okay.
So, papuntang Edmonton din na.
So, here you go. Your way. Deerfoot. And then
We're going to Airdrie, Lian.
all the way. Dire-diretso from Airdrie is papuntang Edmonton. And nandito na tayo sa Airdrie. Chinook Gate. First time namin dito makapunta.
Yes.
Sa area na to.
Oh, may mga open house din sila dito.
Oh, yung nga.
Brookfield.
Wow.
Ayos ka. Oh, right daw tayo dito.
Daddy, what is flags?
Chinook Gate.
Daddy,
Ganda, oh, ganda ng
Ganda.
community dito. Opo.
why does flags around here?
They have a show home as well, Kuya.
Here? Hi fam! So andito na kami kina tita. Ganda ng bahay. It's a row house. And meron din silang camper. Ano tawag doon? Trailer. Yan. Ganda ng house ni na tita. Right. So nakakahiya naman mag-vlog. Papaalam muna tayo. Right? So usap-usap muna kami. See you later!
Hello, ma'am!
Yes, nandito na naman kami sa Kotse Serye.
Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to
Maayong
everyone.
buntag, maayong gabi sa inyong tanan.
For this vlog, i-continue na lang namin yung vlog yesterday because hindi kami nakapag actually video ng buong tour ng bahay nila Tita Joy
Yeah.
kasi we respect their privacy and actually hindi na tayo nakapag-ask kung pwede kasi sobrang into kami
Dun sa mga kwentuhan.
sa kwentuhan, sa syempre first meet up namin and sobrang saya lang.
Yeah,
So,
ganun pala yung feeling, Pam.
Yeah.
Once meet up nyo yung isa sa mga subscriber nyo,
mhm.
it's actually not you trying to educate them, but it's the other way around. It's
Yeah.
gonna be us who will be educated. Ang dami namin talagang napulot na
Yeah.
aral from Tita Joy and Tito Darren. So thank you really, Tita.
Ayan, fam. So, a little background lang natin kay Tita Joy. Because Tita Joy is one of our subscriber. Nanonood daw siya ng aming YouTube channel. Isa siya sa mga solid watcher natin. Thank you, Tita. Tapos, may mga comment siya sa mga videos namin. Mostly sa mga house tour namin. Kasi she really want to share some foods and
And Tita knows na we came from Singapore.
yeah.
So continue natin ng vlog about our meetup with the only subscriber so far, first time talaga namin and we were very, very excited.
Yeah.
And na-meet namin si Tita Joy and Tito Darren. Of course, I also call him Darren. So thank you so much for letting us and inviting us to your lovely home.
Yes.
Sobrang
thank you.
nagandahan talaga kami. And it's actually nearby our place. The place is called Airdrie. So since nasa north na rin kami ng Calgary, it's just 15-minute drive from here. So after ng Cross Iron Mills, Airdrie, kaliwa, andun na yung bahay nila. Lovely home. Perfect spot siya around Airdrie kasi medyo nasa baba lang siya ng Airdrie. So if you need to go to Calgary or for example, kailangan mong mag-work sa airport or sa downtown,
Very convenient
it's
pa rin.
very convenient, it's accessible. Hindi mo kailangan na parang sobrang layo ng biyahe mo.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Donna actually who messaged, or is it the other way around? Si
Tita.
Tita ba?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember. Kasi si Tita pala, back last December 2024,
Yeah.
she was maybe relaxing. And then, biglang lumabas yung mga vlogs
Sa YouTube.
namin sa YouTube.
Yeah.
So, of course, sina Bro Alwin and Emma. And then,
nakikita daw
vlogs
niya.
din namin, nakikita niya. And then, out of curiosity, parang nanood siya. And then, she was amazed na yung mga families na nanggagaling sa Pilipinas and kung saan saang bansa, in a sense, nagre-risk pa rin tayo. Ang tapang-tapang daw natin para pumunta dito sa Canada. Which I think what she also did
Yeah.
20 years ago. So, tinapangan niya to provide for her family na nasa Pilipinas. Yun yung parang nagkakaroon siya ng connection with the vloggers here in Calgary. So, paano kayo nag-start love mag-usap ni Tita?
Since nanonood na si Tita ng YouTube namin, nag-message siya sa Alba Fambam Facebook page namin. Basta ang first message niya is nag-congratulate siya sa amin nung nag-1K kami. Pero ang sabi niya, parang YouTube followers na namin siya, nanonood siya ng mga videos, tapos nakikita ko na yung mga comment din niya about sa kids, ang cute daw ng mga kids. And then, ayun na nga, simula na parang nag-house tour kami, nagko-comment din siya doon yung mga inputs niya and everything. So, yun talaga yung parang isa sa minessage niya ako sa Facebook page na. Ang cute ng mga kids nyo, how old are they? So, sinabi ko na ganito, 5. Alam mo yun, nasa lola na relate niya yung mga kids namin. So, from there, I saw you guys na naghahanap na kayo ng bahay, you want to upgrade. Maybe you guys want to see our house. Nagulat din ako, parang, oh wow, tita, that's nice. Opo, why not? We love to, ganyan-ganyan. So,
Sakto ata din na parang laned house ata yung tiningnan natin.
yeah.
Tapos siguro, kasi ang house ni na Tita na napakaganda ay laned house,
Yeah.
corner lot.
Oh, perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah. So, sobrang ganda nung bahay nila, tita. I mean, para sa amin, parang model house na namin.
Yeah.
Sabi nga
Dream
nila,
house.
sabi namin ni Lawrence, tita, ka-copy-paste na lang namin to.
Yeah.
Parang ganon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kasi we were also amazed. Ang ganda ng garage, ang ganda ng basement. And surprisingly, si Darren or si Tito Darren lang ang nag-construct. So imagine, DIY niya with some help dun sa
Yeah.
mga foundation, sa HVAC,
Sa
but
electricity something.
everything, lahat talaga si Tito Darren. We were so thankful. Yun nga, sa nasabi ko nga kanina, we always expect na parang they ask questions from us, but it's actually us who's learning a lot. So yun yung parang amazing na nangyayari. You've seen our vlogs as well that we try to empower or educate as well our viewers through the latest news articles, anong mga nangyayari sa immigration, etc. and other topics. But this time, it's us who's really learning a lot.
Yeah.
Kasi we ask about a lot of topics basically, mapupunta din sa Buhay Canada. Paano sila nag-start, ano yung mga challenges, ano yung mga successes, paano nila ginawa yung mga real estate investments nila. Oh, that's a lot. There's a lot of information.
Yeah.
It's a gold mine of information talaga. So thank you, Tita Joy and Tito Darren. They call him Darren. For sharing all your good thoughts and all your knowledge. Ang dami talaga namin napulot na aral.
Hindi na kami nakapag-video ng bahay nila Tito
Yeah,
at
yeah.
Tita kasi
Ang ganda nung pagkaka-floor plan. It's
Yeah.
open concept. Ang ganda nung size.
mga kwentuhan sa buhay-buhay. Pamilya na agad yung feeling namin with Tito and Tita.
That's true. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow din kayo sa aming Facebook page here. Dito. Okay.
Yeah.
The same handle name, Alba Fambam.
Yep.
See you on the next video and hang
Hang loose!
loose!